Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Hard to believe we're in December.
December. We've made it to December.
Yeah, we've made it. That's right.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Well, it's good to see you. Today we have a question from a viewer. We're going to pop that up on the screen right now. Gary, I hit a pedestrian jaywalking downtown. Do I need a lawyer?
Well, certainly. So the question is, whose lawyer? So I think the first thing to do is make sure you turn it into your insurance company, even if you don't think it's your fault, even if you think there's a defense from jaywalking, it doesn't matter. Turn it in, because otherwise, if you don't put your insurance company on notice, there are clauses in the contract, which none of us read, that would say, you didn't tell us about it, so you're not protected. So the insurance company will get a lawyer. If there's a lawsuit filed, they will assign you a lawyer and then pay. I mean, that's the way they work. They have a duty to defend, but you have to put them on notice.
Okay. All right. Very
So
good.
the question, I guess, is should you get your own lawyer? If you're charged, certainly you want a lawyer to help deal with the criminal aspect of it, if you're charged with a crime or some kind of traffic violation even. If it's a serious injury, I think you ought to get a lawyer then too, because you want to make sure you have someone looking over the insurance company lawyer shoulders. Make sure they act in your best interest, not in the best interest of the insurance company, which happens a lot of times. So you have rights. Insurance companies have a duty to do the right thing, to act fairly, and to not set you up for some kind of financial catastrophe. And they cannot negligently fail to resolve a case just to see what happens. So they have a duty to the insured. So sometimes you have to get your own lawyer to make sure that the insurance company is doing what's in your best interest, not necessarily theirs. And it brings up, and I hate to just throw it on, but it brings up this issue. Sometimes juries will go to court and they don't see an insurance company name. The Allstate isn't named, Geico, whatever. And they'll say, well, it must not involve insurance. It does. The law says that it's not relevant what insurance exists. That doesn't impact or shouldn't impact the value of a case. Fair is fair. You'll be given the parameters of how to value a case, but it's not about insurance. But so we don't talk about insurance in front of juries. Juries don't hear about insurance, but that doesn't mean the insurance company didn't hire the lawyer that's representing the defendant, and the insurance company is still there. Yeah. But they don't get named in lawsuits in Georgia.
Huh, interesting. Thank you so much for addressing all that, Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.